Being able to control a Formula One car at speeds above 200 miles per hour is a skill that very few drivers possess, and while it's the drivers that tend to get all the glory, there's another group of team members responsible for keeping the car in tip-top condition on race day, and that's the pit crew. With the F1 refueling ban back in effect as of the 2010 season, pit crews primarily concentrate on one thing: changing tires, and it happens really fast. Let's take a look at a modern-day F1 pit stop to see what's really going on. As the car enters the pit lane, the team's lollipop man guides the driver into the appropriate pit with a sign on a long stick that reads "Stop" on one side and "First Gear" on the other. The sign resembles a large lollipop, thus the name. The driver pulls into the pit and stops the car at the exact same position every time. It seems impossible, but with 4 teams of 3 mechanics working on each wheel, a routine F1 pit stop that's 4 used tires off and 4 new tires on is over in less than 3 seconds, sometimes much less than 3 seconds. The current record for the fastest F1 pit stop during a race is held by the Red Bull Racing Team. At the 2013 Malaysian Grand Prix, driver Mark Webber stopped in his pit for just 2.05 seconds to change all 4 tires. But it's not just the tire and jack guys making it all work on race day. Other mechanics are allowed to make adjustments to the car during the stop as well. For example, changing the angle of the front and rear wings to either increase or decrease downforce can be accomplished in just 1 or 2 seconds. Sometimes 2 additional mechanics, one for each side, will remove built-up debris from the car's air intakes, and yet another mechanic is always on standby at the back of the car with a power-operated engine starter. He's there just in case the engine stalls during the stop. When the entire operation is complete, all mechanics pull their hands and body away from the car, and the lollipop man releases the driver from the pit. In recent years, some teams have opted to replace their lollipop man with a semi-automated traffic light system. But either way, pit departure is often a dangerous time for the teams. There's a strictly enforced speed limit, but the pit lane is very narrow, and the merge into passing traffic while exiting the pit has to be perfectly timed. So even though a typical Formula One pit stop lasts just a few seconds, there's a great deal of carefully orchestrated activity that's fit into that short amount of time. And pit strategy, deciding when to pit, along with a talented pit crew, can sometimes make the difference between a podium finish and a DNF.